Hey, everyone! Welcome to Mechanical Boost, where we simplify car maintenance and repair for DIY enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to discuss the P0174 trouble code. The P0174 code is one of those trouble codes you might see when you plug in your OBD2 scanner. Stick around to learn what it means and how to fix it. The P0174 engine code indicates that the air-fuel mixture in the second bank of your engine is too lean. Bank 2 is the opposite side of the engine from bank 1, which is the same side as cylinder 1. Let's discuss the causes of P0174 code. 1. Vacuum leaks. The engine's air intake system is designed to be airtight. If there are leaks in the intake manifold, vacuum hoses, or the PCV system, unmetered air can enter the engine. This additional air is not measured by the mass airflow sensor. This causes the engine control module to inject less fuel than necessary, causing a lean mixture. 2. Faulty mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. The vehicle's computer uses the data of MAF sensor to adjust the correct air-fuel ratio. If the MAF sensor is dirty or malfunctioning, it may send incorrect data, making the vehicle's computer to miscalculate the air-fuel mixture. This leads to a lean air-fuel mixture. 3. Exhaust leaks. Leaks in the exhaust system before the oxygen sensors allow extra oxygen to enter the exhaust stream. This extra oxygen can trick the oxygen sensors into thinking the engine is running leaner than it actually is. Consequently, the vehicle computer may attempt to compensate by reducing fuel delivery, further leaning out the mixture. 4. Faulty oxygen sensors. Oxygen sensors measure the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and send this information to the vehicle computer. If an oxygen sensor is faulty, it may provide incorrect readings, causing the vehicle computer to misadjust the air-fuel ratio. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor on bank 2 can lead to a perceived lean condition. 5. Bad PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation system recirculates blow-by gases from the crankcase back into the intake manifold. A faulty PCV valve can introduce excess air into the intake system, disrupting the air-fuel ratio and causing a lean condition. 6. Engine control module problems. The engine control module of your vehicle controls the fuel injection process based on sensor inputs. If the ECM is malfunctioning, it might misinterpret sensor data or fail to properly adjust the air-fuel mixture. This causes a lean air-fuel mixture. 7. Faulty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray fuel into the engine's combustion chambers. If the injectors on bank 2 are clogged or not functioning correctly, they might not deliver the proper amount of fuel. This leads to a lean air-fuel mixture because there is more air compared to the fuel being injected. 8. Throttle body issues. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine. If the throttle body is dirty or malfunctioning, it can cause incorrect air intake readings, leading to a lean condition. 9. Faulty fuel rail pressure sensor. The fuel rail pressure sensor measures the pressure of the fuel flowing in the fuel rails and sends this information to the engine control module. The ECM uses this data to regulate the fuel injection rate. If it is faulty or improperly installed, it may cause poor fuel injection rate. This insufficient fuel injection may lead to a lean air-fuel mixture. 10. Fuel pump issues. The fuel pump is responsible to send the necessary amount of fuel to the engine. If the fuel pump becomes faulty, it may not deliver the necessary amount of fuel to the engine, causing a lean mixture. And there you have it. These are the common causes and fixes for a P0174 code. Remember, diagnosing and fixing car issues can be tricky, so don't hesitate to seek professional help if you are unsure. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips and tricks.